Hello, welcome to Contractor's Point of View. I recently picked up a Tab S7 and the Unicorn Beetle Pro by Supcase for the S7. I want to try it out, use it on site, see how it does. And the Supcase Unicorn Beetle Pro is the best case for rugged use on any of these devices. So I haven't even unboxed this yet, so we kind of get to see a little bit of what it looks like coming out of the box, because we are going to put this in right away. We don't want to leave it without any kind of protection. So let's see what we got. As you can see, I can't get it open. No, there we go. All right, so the Samsung tablet comes in here. Let's pull. Oh, I didn't know it came with the pen. Well, that's exciting. Can't wait to see how that goes. That feels like a super light tablet. Yeah, all right, so let's open this puppy up. Got some nice protection going on there. I'm just gonna slide it right out. Okay, there you go, there's your tablet. So I guess the S Pen does stick there. It's sort of an S Pen style. Is that showing all my stuff? Yep, okay, so there you go. And your S Pen sticks on the back. And you cut your charger. Sure, it comes with a cable and all that fun stuff. Yep, there's the cable, charger. There you go. All right, so let's scoot this out of the way. Get that out of the picture. Take the S Pen off the back. And let's open up our Supcase Unicorn Beetle Pro case for this device, because like I said, you do not want to use it without some form of protection, at least for me anyway. On a job site, I don't like to destroy my tablets. All right, so it does come with paperwork to show you how to put it on, but I never use that, so I keep that front screen protector on till the end. So start here by opening it up. Peel this back off the edges. It's a little harder with tablet ones because they are so big that they just want to fall back on. And there we go. And then you slowly pull the edges out as you go along. You don't want to break the outside edge right off the bat or at all. Now see this right here, this is a little thin. It doesn't have any of this backup right here, so it's just a flat piece. So you definitely want to be careful on that corner. So it's probably good to pull it out from this direction first. It's a bit challenging, but hey, I'm okay with that. Whatever protects the device the best. All right, so slow and steady. Take it out. There you have your front screen protector. It does have a film on the inside as well. Since we're dealing with trying to keep everything dust free, like I said, I want to get it on first thing when we pull it out of the box. And this thing, I live in a very staticky, dry area right now. I'm in an Airbnb, so yeah, very dry. So we're just gonna put that directly on. Make sure your buttons line up, power button, and that's why it's there like that, because you've got a fingerprint sensor in that power button. Make sure it's lined up all the way around. So you got good contact everywhere. You don't want to have it loose or falling apart. Now that's interesting. Oh, well, see, you learn something all the time. The tablet itself has plastic on it, on the edges. Check that out. So I'm glad we did this like this. So we're gonna peel this plastic off the edges. Fascinating. Didn't even know that was there. And it's there as well. All four edges. Come on, let's go. Let's go. So if you're doing this just like me, you'll be able to see that you've got plastic on these edges and that you'll need to remove it before putting on the case. Unlike me, where I just stuck it on. And I have very barely any fingernails, so there you go. All right, so now we got the plastic off and we've probably got dust everywhere, which is just gonna be fantastic. All right, so now it should go on without any issues. There we go. All right, snapped on, no loose parts anymore. And you wanna make sure that's snug on there, and whenever you push on it, it doesn't make any noises like there's any gaps. So once that's on, you're good to go. Take the styrofoam out of there and toss it. Okay, so you wanna make sure the top lines up with all the other stuff. Like I said with any of my other Supcase videos, you install one end and work your way to the other. And everything should snap into place. You shouldn't have any gaps. Shouldn't have any gaps. And you work your way around the outside edges and everything looks fantastic. The fit is good. So let's peel off the thing. Boom. And there you go. So it hasn't even been turned on yet. Let's do that. And you can get to the fingerprint sensor. So that works really good. You got your volume up and down buttons. Oh, I didn't even snap that all the way on. Here I am telling you to do it, and I didn't. Okay, so your camera, your back end over here, it's got a stand. Makes it so you can stand it up. Looks great, perfect. You can even stand it up vertical if you need to. No, you can't, I lied. Okay, so you can't stand it up that way. However, you also have your S Pen, and it snaps in there. Well, that's gonna actually snap in there. That's insane. Okay, that ain't going nowhere. That is in there snug, very snug. So yeah, that's not gonna get lost. That's beautiful, check it out. Love it. All right, so that's the Supcase Unicorn Beetle Pro on a brand new Tab S7. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, leave the questions down below. I will throw a link in the description for this. That is a nice case. Again, you get screen protection built in. And if people are worried about tempered glass versus this, this works just fine. I've had Supcase on all my devices. I never had a problem at all with any of the plastic screen protectors built in. Look at that, look at that. That is a nice clean look. So, all right, there you go. Supcase Unicorn Beetle Pro, Tab S7, all done.